Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2021 Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DiG-T Premier Edition. It's a petrol manual. This vehicle is a Nissan Intelligent Choice approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months, manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, a multi-point inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have LED headlights, front parking sensors and a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. This car comes with 360-degree cameras, a two-tone roof, privacy glass. Down to the rear wheel. Around to the back, we have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside we have cloth interior. Rear ventilation, 2 USB charging ports and a glass roof. Let's take a look inside the front. Here we have the infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate controls, wireless charger, electronic handbrake, a leather steering wheel, heads-up display, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back around to the front. Thank you for watching this video.